Hello everyone. Yeah, in the last session we saw about Java variables and data types. In this session we will look at Java typecasting. Yeah, so what is typecasting? Typecasting is like we want to convert the type of the variable. For example, we want to convert integer to long or like float to double. So there are cases where we want to convert the type of the value to assign to like to other data types. So there are two types of casting. One is auto casting, that is widening casting, means converting a smaller type to larger type. So it is means there will not be any restriction while uh, yeah, converting lower value to higher value, but narrowing casting. So this is we are trying to convert the large value to lower type. So that time it's like, and this is called narrowing casting. There are cases where we want to convert from higher value to lower value. Okay, so yeah, okay. So let's go to typecasting. Let's create a class. Okay, so for example, we will take int. Okay, now what we want to do, we want to convert this to long. So long, so this is auto casting. Like it will automatically assign to higher value because it has enough size or like, so you can see we are converting from int to long. So this is auto casting. It will automatically copy the value, means the type different also it will assign the value. So it will work fine because you can take, suppose we have, so this is int you already know, like int size is 4 bytes. Okay, and we have long is the next available data type for integer, a number. So it is long. It is I think 8 bytes. So yeah, so it means, so these 4 bytes can fit into 8 bytes. So it is like autocasting. We are assigning this value of integer type to long. So that means it accepts the value. Whereas when you try to put long into integer, that will be a problem. I mean, syntactically or like logically, it is problem. So that case, we get a problem. Like for example, so this gives error because we cannot convert long into int. Syntactically, it is not possible. So we have to explicitly say we want this to be an integer, and yeah, so that way it will convert the value to integer and put it. Okay, so this is about typecasting. Similarly, we can try for other examples like float to double. So these things generally happens when suppose uh, Yeah, maybe we will get to know when in which situation we might apply this scenario, so that we can see. And you can also see in the last session, like, so character type is for its single characters. If you want to single letters, we can keep using a char data type. And when we convert, so this will convert because character size is very less, like comparatively integer size. So so char can fit into integer, and in our ASCII characters, or like in our keyboard, whatever character we have, each character represents a number. Suppose print the value of a letter number, so what it will print? It will print the number corresponding to A, that is 65. So each number in keyboard is represents a number. Okay, so similarly, if you change to C, so it will be 67. Okay, and the small a represents different value, capital A represents different value because it is 97. And you can also see like any character, suppose at the rate also represents a number. So this is how it is like. Okay, so this is a basic idea of typecasting. We will, yeah, we will understand more about uh, typecasting. I mean, real-time examples when we go along. But for now, yeah, that is about typecasting.